What's up everyone, Nick with Mobility Scooters Direct here, doing a demonstration video of the Merits Health Yoga folding mobility scooter. So this folding mobility scooter has a total weight of 57 pounds, a total weight capacity of 250 pounds. It goes about 11 miles on a single charge and it has a max speed of 4 miles per hour. So this is also known as model S542. We're going to show you exactly how it folds up and fits into this convenient size travel bag. So to fold it up, it's quite simple. You just got to pull this lever right here, and once you pull that, it unlocks the seat for you and it comes down just like so. You fold the seat over and there's a buckle right here just to keep it folded, and all you got to do is simply push it together. If you come right here, you'll see there's a hook where this attaches to. So you just bring it together and make sure that hook clamps on to the metal piece. Now, once it's hooked on, the scooter's locked into place, the buckle's on, the seat's not going to unfold. And to lower the tiller, there's these two levers right here. Unlock those, lower it down, lock it back up, and so this way it can fit into the travel bag. And now I'm going to show you folks how to get it inside of the bag. So you just want to lay flat. Now this is one of the lighter scooters on the market at 57 pounds. You also don't have to lift it too much to get it in there, but you'll see here in the bag, there's two cushions, and that lines up with the tiller once you get it in. So you basically just pick it up, get it in there, line it up with the bag, nice and secure in there, close it up, that way you can just zip it up. Now you've got your travel scooter. Now we're going to take it out of the travel bag and show you exactly how it works and talk to you about it a little bit more. So first you want to lay it flat. There's handles up top here to easily grab it. Lift that out. So to unfold the scooter, all you have to do is press down on this lever to unlock that hook. So first I'm going to unbuckle the seat. And when you press down, it unhooks from that metal piece, allowing you to simply open up the scooter. Just push down a little bit right there. The seat, you just push down and it locks right back into place. And then you just got to raise the tiller with the same levers to your desired height. It is height adjustable, so whatever you prefer. I'm going to keep it around right here for now. Lock those back up, and you're good to go. All right, now that we've got the scooter unfolded, I'm going to show you folks how to take the battery out and how to charge it up. So this has a 24 volt, 11.5 amp hour lithium battery. To take it out, it's real simple. There's a little switch right here. Just pull back on it, battery comes right out. Really light battery, perfect for the folding lightweight scooters. It's super travel friendly. With the lithium batteries, you're allowed to take them on the airplanes and such. That's why this makes a great travel friendly scooter. So to put it back on, you just insert it, clicks right into place. To charge it up, we recommend that when you first get it, you charge it for at least 8 hours to train your battery and have the most longevity. So to charge it, it's your standard XLR lithium battery plug right there, 3-prong charger, goes right in there, and then your standard wall outlet plug. So this scooter is pretty unique for a couple reasons. First of all, it does not have a brake lock, but when you do fold it up, it will wheel around, so keep that in mind. Also, this scooter is keyless. Does not require a key. It has an on and off switch right here below the handlebars. Another thing is to adjust the tiller, it's going to have this lever right here. When you pull it out towards you, you can adjust it, let it go, and it'll set into place. The controls are also ambidextrous, so left-handed or right-handed, you can go forward and backwards. There's a speed knob right here to adjust your maximum speed. Little dot, slowest, big dot, highest. So to go forward with the right hand, you press the trigger, and to go backwards, you push it out, away from you. And it's reversed on the left hand. So if you want to go forward with your left hand, you push it out. And to reverse, you pull the trigger. It's got a really good turning radius. You can make really sharp turns. Always be careful making sharp turns at high speeds though. It handles really well. It's real nice and smooth. It's honestly everything you ever want from one of these folding lightweight models. Alright folks, once again, this is the model S542 Merit's Health Yoga Folding Mobility Scooter. Like all of our products, they are tax-free and shipping is free as well. Visit our website, Mobility Scooters Direct, to find out more. My name is Nick. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.